Good morning. Let's take our morning greens together. If you're not familiar with Earth and Ocean Greens, it's 100 superfoods and whole foods from the earth and the ocean to really get you your daily recommended dose of fruits and vegetables. Most of us are not great at doing that, so this little packet right here is all you need. I like to take it right in the morning, and I mix mine with ice cold water. All right, grab this little guy, pour it on in. The flavor itself is a really subtle pineapple flavor. It doesn't have too much taste or any kind of earthy, grassy taste to it, which I really like, and it blends in really well with any drink. It doesn't have a chalky consistency whatsoever, so it makes taking your greens a lot less painful.